Today, we're diving into the LCDBOARD Universal LCD Controller Kit. This kit is a DIY gem, designed to work with various LCD panels ranging from 6.5 inches to 9 inches, all at an 800 by 480 resolution. What's impressive is its adaptability. It's compatible with screens like at 065TN14, at 070TN92, at 080TN64, and more. Power-wise, it's recommended to use a 12V, 2A, or higher power adapter with a 5.5mm x 2.1mm connector, center positive, for optimum performance. This flexibility ensures compatibility and convenience. Connectivity options include VGA and HDMI, providing versatile connections to your devices. The board's operation voltage range spans from 9 to 16V DC, ensuring adaptability across setups. What makes this kit stand out is its DIY nature. It's a universal board kit that can be configured to match different LCD panel models, making it versatile for various projects. Overall, the LCDBOARD Universal LCD Controller Board Kit is a DIY enthusiast's dream, offering compatibility, flexibility, and ease of use for various screen sizes and resolutions. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.